Home renovations can be exciting, but they can also be stressful. You're making a significant investment and you want to know it's going to last. You want that peace of mind. At Integrity Home Exteriors, we understand that, which is why we want to offer a lifetime workmanship warranty. Think about it. If you choose new windows, a beautiful new roof, or finally get those old gutters updated, you want to enjoy those home improvements for years to come without worrying about unexpected problems. Our lifetime workmanship warranty gives you that peace of mind. This warranty means that if there's any issues with our installation, we'll take care of it, and you won't have to worry about hidden costs or frustrating repairs down the road. We're confident in the skills and expertise of our certified installers, and this warranty reflects that confidence. Imagine, years from now, your home still looks as beautiful as the day when we finish the job. That's the kind of assurance our lifetime workmanship warranty provides. It's about protecting your investment and giving you the confidence to enjoy your home without worry. Now, like any warranty, there are some things that it doesn't cover. Normal wear and tear and damage from natural disasters aren't included. At Integrity Home Exteriors, we believe in building better, not just homes, but also relationships built on trust and integrity. Our lifetime workmanship warranty is our way of showing that we stand behind our work and we stand behind you. Ready to experience the integrity difference? Visit our website at integrityhomeexteriors.com to schedule your free consultation or just give us a call. We're here to answer any questions to help you create the home of your dreams.